What's up, everybody? This your boy King Hussle, and yes, this is my new YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell so whenever I drop new sauce, new lessons, new methods, and giveaways, you'll be the first one to be notified. You'll be the first one to know what's going on. And hey, you might be the first one to win something for free. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell on all the YouTube channels. I'm talking this one right here, King Hussle. King Hussle X1M, King Hussle 2.0, King Hussle Crazy Reactions, King Hussle the Hussle Family, Turn Motivation into Means, and Dog Pound Exotic Pups. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. All you gotta do is click the title on every video. Once you click the title on every video, at the bottom in the description, all my social media links will pop up. I got a lot of fake King Hussle pages out there scamming people, so please get a FaceTime verification call or video to make sure you see this face. Make sure you're doing legit business and you are getting what you paid for, all right? And before we get anything started, this is all educational purposes only, not telling anybody to do anything, so let's get this thing started. So today I'm going to be talking about a place where you can get $30,000 with a CPN. Yes, $30,000 with a CPN. They are CPN friendly, and then there's a credit union. The credit union is called Golden One. All right, credit union. And if you know what you're doing, if anybody out there is using a CPN, you have the opportunity to get $30,000 with this bank. All right, so let's get into it. Let's drop the gem. So first of all, when it comes to loans, credit cards, and lines of credit, they're not just giving them to anybody. They're just not handed out here like, here you go. You have to have your paperwork, your documents in order. Sometimes you might not need the documents because if you have a bank account with that bank, they will go off your relationship. And how do you build a relationship with a bank is by opening up a bank account with them, checking in savings, depositing money on a regular basis, taking money out on a regular basis, and having money in your checking account, all right? So anybody out there that has a CPN, and a CPN, we all know is a credit privacy number. A lot of people are using CPNs. A lot of people have been using CPNs. A lot of people have been using CPNs the wrong way. A lot of people have been using CPNs to do a lot of good things the good way, all right? And a lot of people got a lot of different methods when it comes to CPNs. But some people actually take CPNs and they do the right things with them, all right? Now, for the people out there that are still on the edge and still wondering, is a CPN illegal? No, a CPN is not illegal, but when you use it in an illegal way, then it is illegal, all right? So take that in consideration. If you're somebody out there looking to get a CPN and use it in the wrong way, be cautious, beware, because it will not end good for you if you do not use it in the right way. All right, so let's get to it. So people out there need, people out there need credit cards, loans, credit cards, loans, lines of credit, so on and so on. People need money, all right? And when it comes to getting money, when it comes to getting loans, credit cards, and lines of credit, in order to do it any way that you want, cut corners, shortcuts, whatever, you gotta learn how to do it the right way, all right? Because once you do it the right way, you'll figure out how to do it any other way that you want to do. And that's by understanding credit. That's by understanding loans. That's by understanding banks and having a bank account, having a checking and savings account, having a business checking and savings account, understanding these type of things, because if you don't, you're not going to be able to obtain any type of money, point blank, period. Now, a lot of people out there want the next fire method. A lot of people out there want the next fire way to make $10,000, $20,000, $30,000, but they're not willing to put in the work to get the money. They want somebody to give it to them. And the people you do see getting business loans, credit cards, lines of credit, and running up a bag with it, they actually learned how to build the credit so they can actually make it happen. Because once you actually learn how to do it, you won't need anybody for anything. You can do it all on your own, obtain your own money, and become successful and rich on your own. Instead of asking, what's the next play? You got to play for $20,000. Well, I need that. So, because ain't no method, step 1, step 2, step 3, here go you some money. Ain't no method going to the bank, ask the teller for a loan, they're going to give you a loan, and you going to get some money that fast. No, it's nothing like that. Y'all got to understand how serious it is when it comes to business and money. And if you're somebody who's serious about business and money, you will be somebody in the position to get this money, all right? So without further ado, let's check out Golden One Credit Union, where you can get up to $30,000 CPN friendly and be successful with the bag, all right? So let's check them out. All right, so today we're gonna be talking about Golden One Credit Union. All right, CPN freedom up to $30,000. All right, so Go Mobile, they got checking accounts, they got checking, savings, home loans, credit cards, loans, investing, community. All right, and this is gonna be all on the personal side. So you want to go to loans, you want to go to personal loans. Once you go to personal loans, they bust it down to you. All right, so they got the Golden One, and Golden One personal loan is a quick and easy option for accessing funds you need to achieve your goals. You can use a personal loan to consolidate debt from credit cards and other loans, or even more, make a large purchase. Thinking about using a personal loan for debt consolidation? Learn more about it. All right, so why choose a personal loan? Competitive low interest rates, flexible terms after 60 months, no collateral required, no origination fee, or payment penalty. All right, because y'all know once y'all pay off, sometimes when you pay off things early, it will reflect negatively on your credit report. All right, so subject to approval based on credit worthiness, other limitations may apply. So it tells you, there's an example. All right, so you'll be paying $319 on every $10,000. All right, so roughly you'll be paying $1,000 a month on a $30,000 loan. All right, so a personal line of credit is the same thing. It's a line of credit. You only pay back what you use up to $30,000 also. And it just busts down and breaks down. A Golden One personal line of credit offers you the ability to conveniently borrow money with some unique benefits. This unsecured loan differs from a home equity line of credit by giving you the immediate access to emergency funds without having to put your home or other assets up for a guarantee to repay funds. All right, whether you intend to use this today or consolidate high interest rate credit cards balances or tomorrow to cover its unexpected cash expenses, you will have the peace of mind knowing that Golden One personal line of credit is available when you need it. All right, so up to $30,000, no collateral required, no prepayment penalties. All right, then they got the credit starter loan. Borrow up to $1,500 or up to $2,500 with a guarantee or a cosigner. No low interest rates, no collateral required. So they help you build your credit too, and they can help you build your CPN also. So if you have a new CPN, you want to open up a bank account with the CPN and get this credit builder loan and establish a relationship with this bank, this might be something for you. All right, so make sure y'all checking out this Golden One Credit Union. They're giving out the $30,000 personal loans, and you can do whatever you need to do with it. All right, so without further ado, let's talk about Golden One Credit Union, where you can get your $30,000 personal loan, CPN friendly. All right, there you guys got it. Golden One Credit Union giving out $30,000 loans, personal loans, and they are CPN friendly. So you can, if you have a CPN, you can go open up a bank account and you can start your journey on getting your $30,000. All right, now for people out there who have hard time getting loans, credit cards, or lines of credit, and you don't understand the science on how to do it on the personal or business side, you got to understand loans, credit cards, and lines of credit are given by the history of payment on your credit report. All right, so they go check your credit and they want to see how good you are with paying back money. All right, so if you got $10,000 in debt on your credit report, you're trying to get a $50,000 loan, it's a great chance you're not going to do that. You're not going to get that $50,000 loan. But if you have $80,000, $60,000, it's a great chance you're going to get some money when you go apply for a loan. All right, so understand, if you have bad credit and you want to get a bad credit loan, just having bad credit isn't enough to get you that loan. They want to make sure your payment history on your debt is high enough for what you're applying for, and your payment history, and you're paying it back on time with exceptional payment history, was letting them know that you'll be able to pay that back, plus you'll live your life and pay your bills back on time. It's a lot of different factors that goes into getting these loans, and that's why I tell you guys to add trade lines so you can finesse your credit report, build your credit, and get approved for higher limit loans that you need, and some might be under the CPN. All right, so make sure y'all really understanding and really focusing on credit, because credit is the #1 money game in the world. As long as you can finesse it, as long as you can get it together, you can get anything that you want. And everything is being done on the business side, because everything done on the business, on the personal side, has a utilization rate. Everything done on the personal side is needed for emergency purposes only. That's like I tell guys, and I tell people, you're not really supposed to get a car or anything under your personal name. You're supposed to do it under your business name, because I know a lot of people out there, I know you paid off a car before, and what happened? It reflected negatively on your credit report. It's because it's for you, it's for emergency. You needed that car. Vice versa, if you would have opened up an LLC and an EIN number, built it up, got you a car on your business, it'll reflect positively on your credit report, all right, and your business credit, all right. Everything on your business side is meant to be done. Anything in life is going to be done on your business side, because once you build that credit, it takes money to make money, and they understand that. That's why they're giving you some money, so you can make some money and pay their money back. Anything on the personal side isn't for you to get them loan and make some money, then pay them back. No, it's for personal reasons, emergency reasons only. And we're gonna get into that in another video. All right. So shout out to all my real King Hustle fans, supporters, and subscribers. Because without y'all, there'd be no me. Y'all motivate me keep going. Y'all motivate me keep dropping this sauce, and y'all motivate me keep y'all entertained. So shout out to y'all. Anybody out there that's ready to enter the Financial Freedom University, get y'all lessons and learn how to start making money, because so far you've been having a hard time. You need a little help. You need a little push. You need some ideas. You need some guidance. Tap into your FaceTime 101 Unlimited Gems for $600 for a limited time only, because they will be going back to $1,200 real soon. All right. So for $600, you're going to get everything that you need. You're going to get the 8 instant cash out methods plus 2 free live cards, the New Age Credit Repair Handbook. You're going to get the how to learn how to make $50,000 a month all profit. You're going to learn how to make $1,000 a day all profit. You'll get the introduction to the dirt. You'll get all the sauce that you need, all right? All for $600, Cash App or Bitcoin payment. Once the $600 is on your Cash App or Bitcoin balance, send me the screenshot. Let me know you payment ready, and we're going to go from there. I do not respond to anything other than screenshots. So if y'all writing me on Telegram or writing me on Instagram, asking me for quick questions, and I don't have time, because I have people who are paying for lessons and paying for things and paying for my services that I have to tend to. So I can't just have full-blown conversations for people for free. All right. So if you want to talk to me, you got to pay that fee. Easy as that. And I'm pretty sure if you had a service or a job and you were helping so many people, it'd be the same for you. All right. So understand, there's nothing personal. This is all business. I have people paying $600 for lessons. I got people paying $4,500 for lessons. I got people paying for $5,500. Plus paying for my hotel and to fly me out. So I can't put in too much effort for anything for free. If you really want to learn or know something, you invest into yourself because you really want to learn it. All right, so take that into consideration. Also, book your seat right now on the crypto tour, in-person limited gems. $4,500 in-state, $5,500 out-of-state. All right, so if I go out-of-state to you, or I got to come out-of-state to you, it's going to be $5,500, $500 deposit, and you got to pay for my flight and my hotel. But if you come in-state to me, wherever I'm at, it's going to be $4,500, $500 deposit. The rest of the money will be meet in person. All right, so make sure y'all tapping into the in-person, the crypto tour in-person limited gems. You will learn how to make money ASAP. You will definitely learn how to start making money. We're going to learn how to work smarter and not harder. You're going to learn the game, and you're going to start making some money and changing your ways. All right, so make sure y'all tapping in on that. Also, anybody looking to get the eight instant cash out methods plus 2 free live cards. Anybody looking to get that World Tour t-shirts plus 1 method of 1 free live card. Anybody looking to get any type of sauce, tap into my Telegram. Wealth and Riches is in my community post, and all the links in my bio, all right, on every video. Stop getting scammed by these fake King Hustle Telegrams. I don't have no Telegram with the name King Hustle. The link is in my community post and in my all my bios, description of videos. So that's all you gotta do is click the link and follow there. All right, 8 instant cash out methods, 2 free live cards, 320. We got live cards, we got methods, we got sauce for days. All right, so make sure y'all tapping in on that. Y'all see a lot of people out here still getting paid with the glitch, the cash out methods, so don't miss out on that. Also, I'm still looking for people for the production company. You ready to win? You ready to get rich? You ready to get your chain, your watch, some money? Let's get it. Let's work. Looking for actors, rappers, singers, producers, cameramen, or women for the production company. All right, so if you rap or sing, music reviews is $100. You got some videos, they got views, you got a fan base. Let's talk, let's work. Also, looking for models, beautiful ladies, younger, older, it don't matter the age. As long as you got a good head on your shoulders, as long as you're ready to work, as long as you're ready to advance, as long as you got some ambition, as long as you got some type of dedication and motivation, we can work. If you don't got a good head on your shoulders, you got a bad attitude, if we can't learn from each other, we can't bounce ideas from each other, I don't want to work with you. All right, so all my beautiful ladies out there across the world, you ready to work, you ready to join a team that can change your life, somebody that's going to put you in all the right positions that nobody's clearly put you in before, which is perfectly fine. That's why I'm here. Tap in, all beautiful ladies, modeling. You're going to be doing skits, blogs, interaction with the fans, podcasting. We're going to figure out what fits best for you so you can start elevating, building, and growing your platform and, making some money. All right, so let's tap in and get to work. Also, any cameraman, anybody out there looking to or want to start being a cameraman, or women want to learn how to hold a camera, tap in. Houston area, Milwaukee area, Phoenix area, but any surrounding areas you willing to travel, you ready to work, tap in. I need somebody to hold the camera, all right? All you need to do is learn how to work a camera. You don't need to learn how to edit or none of that. I got editors on my team already. So all I need you to do is say, let's go shoot. You ready to shoot. You got to learn how to work a camera from the settings, from the different atmospheres that we be in. So every different set that we in, from the lighting, you got to know how to work all that. You just got to be camera ready. Shooting music videos and content. All the rest of the editing stuff, we're going to send it to the editors. You can learn how to edit as we go. All right, so all you got to do is know how to work a camera. Let's work. Content equals views. Views equal money. Looking for a team to work millions of dollars with and elevate and grow with. All right, so you ready to be part of H&E? Tap in. Let's get to work. It's your boy, King Hussle. Y'all know how to get down to any of these videos. I'll see you at the next. Peace.